Okay, you guys are going to enjoy this one. People that know, anyhow. So this thing came in for a no start issue. Wasn't getting any fire, no fuel, just running like crap. So carburetors are throwaway products on this, so we went ahead and ordered one. I think they're like $20 off of Amazon. We got new wiring harness, all new components. Well, as I'm going through this, I got the stator replaced and wiring harness stubbed up in there, getting ready to hook it all back up. But before I do that, I was going to put the carburetor on it. Well, I got to looking, guys, and I want to make sure you can see this. I'm going to pull it off. But you see this guy right here? That's where your fuel supply goes. You got your petcock over here, right there. Let me see if I can get it. Right there's the fuel hose. Alright, so let me pop this air filter off. This is where it gets good. Got to make sure you filter it, you know, twice, I guess. Let's see if I can get this thing pulled out. Would you look at that? He's got the fuel filter hooked up to the air filter going to the crankcase ventilation. So guys, if you really don't know what you're doing, sometimes it's just cheaper to bring it, let somebody that does diagnose and fix these. This yeah, I'm not sure what the hell they were thinking there, but as you can see, no fuel going to it. Fuel filter, air filter, crankcase. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this carburetor off. It's pretty easy. Just pop these two bolts right here. Got to pull the throttle out, the needle. And usually you'd have to pull the fuel line off, but he's already done that for me. So I'm gonna get this out, and I'll show you guys what it looks like whenever I get it out, and once I get it back on.